Let's learn about vitamin E. Do you know what the benefits of vitamin E are? If you eat foods that contain vitamin E, you'll have healthy, beautiful hair and skin. Vitamin E helps your vision. Vitamin E also gives you a strong immune system. Your immune system is like a shield that protects you from getting ill and helps you recover from diseases and helps you get healthy again. Vitamin E works together with vitamins A and C to strengthen your immune system. Vitamin E protects vitamin A from destruction. At the same time, vitamin C regenerates vitamin E after it's lost its protection function. Together, they build your immune system super strong. The top foods high in vitamin E are sunflower seeds, almonds, hazelnuts, avocados, and peanuts. Other foods that contain good amounts of vitamin E are broccoli, carrots, kiwi, peaches, whole grains, dandelion greens, olives, apricots, mango, Brazil nuts, spinach, and tahini. Which one is your favorite? Did you know that vitamin E is also a fat-soluble nutrient and needs fat to be absorbed better, just like vitamin A? So remember to eat plant-based healthy fats such as nuts, seeds, avocados, and oils to absorb vitamin E better.